All right, welcome back. We got another one we're gonna clean up. A friend of mine, somebody I work with. It's his grandma's van. Calls the kids around all the time, wants to clean it up a little bit. And another video for Super Clean. You're gonna send me some more product, they said. So I still got some left. We're gonna give it another whirl. All-purpose cleaner to clean the floor mats, clean everything with it. Give it a good cleaning, take everything out of it, clean it up. You clean that up a little bit. Just do your magic. Well, let's see what happens. But here we are. First day of spring. Kind of nice out. 75, 80 degrees today. Alright, shut her off, get things going. Maybe I'll do a video here, a little bit for Super Clean to show some stuff they want me to do. Here we go. Catch you later.